In this episode, we will make a title screen with title and button animations. We will see how to animate the size change of the button and title. So let's start coding. Start with painting a button. Bring it to the desired position. Find the magic spell sound from Sounds Library. Start the sound when it is clicked. Hide it and broadcast a message start. This message will be used later in other sprites to start. Now replace the when flag clicked event with when I receive start. Hide when flag is clicked. Show when receive start. Now paint a title background. You can design it any way you want. Switch to title backdrop when flag clicked. And switch to main backdrop when received start. Now we will make a custom block to animate the size. We will also add a number input. One means we want to animate size increase. We will also check if the size is 100. Increase size by 5 times, which means biggest size will be 130. Duplicate the whole block for size decrease. 0 means size decrease. Also check if the size is 130. This time decrease size by 6. Animate size increase if touching mouse pointer. Else decrease size. Perfect. Clicking animation. Put it before hide block. Now paint the title. Show when flag clicked and hide when received start. Increase size by 0.5 30 times. Max size will be 115. Set size to 100 and start. Delay for a short time. Then duplicate the block to decrease size. Replace 0.5 with minus 0.5. In the next episode we will make a scrolling background, so stay tuned for the next episode.